today and always. Yesterday I had a message from a friend and she asked me, how come so many people stay motivated, positive and strong always under any circumstances? How is that possible? Is there any way that I can develop that too in me? One thing you have to understand, people who you see positive, motivating, inspiring, confident, strong, vibrant, enthusiastic, energetic, and having a huge love for life are not people who have dropped down from heaven as blessings from God. No way. It's not that they have come to this universe, to this earth, with a special boon that they remain happy throughout. Those are the people who have seen the deepest and the darkest of phase in their lives and who have learned how to heal themselves and radiate that glow of transformation to everyone around them. So behind every person's confidence, motivation and inspiration does have a dark story, and it has not been an easy path for them to have walked to this stage. It has taken a lot and immense hard work on their side to reach such a state of mind. So 3 things which I personally have experienced and feel that has helped me live a much better, a much happier and a beautiful life is, number 1, you have to first think, yes, I need to change my life totally and make it more vibrant and colorful. It is your thought that plays the key role here. So you have to first think that you want to do it, that you want to change, you want to bring in the transformation inside you. So once you decide, yeah, enough of all this, I'm going to step up, there, you're on the perfect path. Then number 2, people around us, we have so many people around us. See, we cannot live without people, right? And people come and tell me, however positive, however motivated I help myself to be, people in my family dampen my spirit. Now, that is just an excuse. People in your family, you're born in that family, you are planted there. Can I take you and put you off elsewhere into another family? Or can I give you another family? No, it's not done. That's not practical. So you do live with people of various kinds. But you have to ensure who you prioritize. What kind of things or energy from others which you are willing to open yourself up to. That really matters. Prioritize relationships that ensure your beautiful growth, that nourish your growth. And you have to be firm in dealing with people who dampen your spirit. So that is number 2. Number 3, take action towards it. Now many people watch movies and serials and read books which may not encourage a healthy attitude. Very many times, if you have noticed, just watching a movie, a violent movie, will definitely put you in a very a sad state of mind. It will definitely, or fear, it will definitely not help you step up to a higher frequency. So when you feel that things are not helping you, do not do such things. So ensure that your actions are taken in such a way that they are motivating, inspiring, and helping you nourish yourself to become a better person. So these are the 3 tips that really helped me. So I'm sure it will help you. First, you have to decide, well, I'm on my road to being a more motivated, inspiring, and a gorgeous person. You have to think of that and decide in changing your life. And number 2, open yourself to only energy and relationships of things that motivate you, people who nourish you. And number 3, take action and stay glued and fixed and listen, hear, and speak things only that are motivating. If something is dampening your spirit, for heaven's sake, do not do that. Especially programs we watch, things that we read, play an immense role, a tremendous role in helping our growth, being healthy. So, I'm sure this will help you to really organize your life to become a more inspiring, marvelous, and a beautiful being. Stay blessed.